What's up, YouTube? Dippin Coat 91 here. Just sitting here chilling, dipping on some Tennessee Chew moonshine blend. Pretty good shit. But today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video from a fellow friend of mine. Jason's back 1992. There's the package. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. Motherfucker had to wrap it with so much fucking tape. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We got Southern Pride Mudjug. One of my favorites. We got Copenhagen long cut wintergreen. Uncracked. We got the white Mudjug. That fucking sick son of a bitch didn't even fucking clean it when he found it. Fucking sick bastard. And we got Real Tree Hardwood Green Mudjug. One of my favorite Mudjugs. What else we got? Got Mudjug sticker. Be putting that on my truck. And we got a note. Thanks for buying the Mudjug. Glad you finally have the money for them. I hope this time you don't leave them somewhere and lose them like the bony fish Mudjug. Keep dipping, nigger. That fucking nigger. This is my second video, but I ain't really got much to say right now. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm sitting here bored, so I thought I'd do a unboxing video. But yeah, there'll be more videos to come. Comment, rate, subscribe, keep dipping and spitting, motherfuckers.